Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am going boating. So I'm going to show you the makeup that I am going to be using while I'm going on a boat. So it's going to be really sunny. I need a lot of sunscreen. I want products that are going to stay on my face, stuff like that. So if you would like to see the products that I'm going to be using, then just keep watching. The first thing I think that is important is obviously sunscreen. So one of my favorite things that I have for sunscreen is also an oil control. This is from Murad. Murad has amazing products. If you guys don't have anything from Murad, you're missing out. Their products are so bomb. So the first thing I'm going to be using is the oil control mattifier, and this is SPF 15. This is not going to be the only thing that we're SPFing on, but we're going to put this on our face first. All right, gonna put just a few drops here and blend it into my skin. So it is a pretty thick consistency for your face, but I really like it because it kind of mattifies everything, and then it also just, I don't know, it feels good because it's really thick, and I just feel like it's like really going into the skin, and I like to really press it in pretty intently, if that's the correct word that I wanted to use, but just putting it all right in here. Definitely does smell like sunscreen, but I love it. Going in for foundation, this is actually going to be a tinted moisturizer. This is the Pure Radiant Tint, and this is SPF 30, so we're going to be putting this one as well. This one obviously is a lot shakier. Just going to place it everywhere, and then I'll blend it off with a sponge. So if anyone's wondering what color I have, this is medium 1. I love this tinted moisturizer just because it has just a little bit of coverage, but you can still see all of my freckles, which I love, and I love that it just has enough of coverage, because I don't want it to be like super intense, like when you're going to like a beach or something. So I think this is an amazing tinted moisturizer. I absolutely love it. So next I am going to use just a little bit of concealer just to cover a little bit of this darkness here, and then on my eyes as well. So I'm just going to be using this. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Super Concealer, and I'm just going to be putting this in those specific areas. So just kind of under here, and then my eyes here because I have very veiny lids, and I'm not going to be putting it anywhere else just because I personally don't think it's needed. So now I'm just going to be blending this in. I just want to make sure it's into the inner corner. For me, that's the most important spot, and then I'll just kind of be blending it out. I love this concealer. It does blend out really seamlessly. So starting in this corner here, I was blending here and then bringing it around, and most of the product was just in here, and I wanted that part to be the most seamless. And then once I had everything done, that's when I started bringing it over here. So everything over here has just a little bit of concealer, and that's it. And then I'm gonna be using this for my lids as well. Let's move on to the other side. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using this Lancome. I love this. This is just the translucent one. So going into this, I'm just gonna put it into the cap. I'm using the little, whatever it's called, and just setting where I put that concealer, because I do not want that to go anywhere. I want it to stay right where it is. So we're just gonna pat it with this and set. I like to use this just because it's nice and skinny, and like it can all fit everywhere, and I can bend it on the ways that I need it. So I like to be able to really set into that corner so it stays. Next, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I'm using this. I haven't used this in a while, but since I'm going to be outside doing whatever in the water and stuff like that, I want to make sure it's going to be staying where I want it to be. So I don't want it to be intense. I just want it to make it look like I have eyebrows on, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to get this a little closer so I can see. So I'm just going to kind of be like feathering areas that I think I need a little bit more extra. Alright, eyebrows are done. So the next thing I'm going to do is for my eyes, and I'm just going to be using this same thing that I usually always do. So if you have been watching me for a while, I do have this one eyeshadow that is my all-time holy grail. Is that correct? I think it was. This is the Marc Jacobs Daddy-O eyeshadow. It is so good. I love the color. It's just like the perfect color. It is. If you haven't tried this, go check it out. I'll put the link for it down below. It is so bomb. I love it. I'm just gonna put a couple in here, and then I'm just gonna put this all over in the crease, in the corner, and then that's pretty much all I want to do other than blending this. So just putting that tiny little bit there, and then I'm just gonna kind of blend through everything, putting most of the product over here in the corner, and then once it's all there, I'm just gonna kind of blending it through, because I want kind of all of it to have that there, but I want this to be the most intense, and then obviously feather it out. And that's pretty much all we're gonna be doing for the eyeshadow. Going back to the powder, I'm just gonna take this and kind of easily blend this in now. This is one of my favorite things I've been doing, is kind of setting it while blending it. I just think everything blends so seamlessly when I'm doing this. So you can kind of see the difference between this one and this one. It's like more choppy. Over here it's more smooth because I put that powder on it. So we're gonna go and do the same thing over here, and it's just blending it out. Alright, so now you can kind of see how smooth and just like, I don't know what to say, but it's just seamless and just very easy to blend together. And I just love that color. You can have just a little bit of it, but then you can add more and more, because as you guys can see, like, I only have one color, but yeah, it's a lot darker here and it blends in really seamlessly in here. I just love it. I am not gonna put anything underneath with the eyeshadow, because I usually always do put eyeshadows under the eyes here. Not gonna do that today, not gonna do that. Going in with a little bit of bronzer just on the parts that I need. This is the Luminous Bronze Light from Hourglass. I'm just gonna put a little bit on here just to give that, whoa, that was heavy. So just giving a little bit on the face and blending it together. This is my favorite brush to do bronzer. It's just so good. This is the Morphe R2. It is the best. I absolutely love it. Going in, I'm gonna set my eyebrows. This is just the Anastasia. These were just the mini ones. Going in for highlight, I'm just gonna use this from Urban Decay. This is Sin. So using this, I'm just using this right here. Everyone loves a good glow. A little bit on the nose, a little bit below my eyebrows. Last, I'm gonna put some mascara. For you, I would say 100% get waterproof mascara. I am not, because I hate waterproof mascara. When I have it, I won't be able to take it off for like days, and I hate it. Like, I absolutely hate it. I'm not planning on getting my head into the water, so I think I'm gonna be fine. So I'm gonna be using this. This is the Smashbox Super Fan Mascara. I'm gonna be putting this on there. I was thinking about maybe putting eyeliner on it, but I was just like, Courtney, don't need it. I'm just gonna be using this mascara and just give myself a couple of coats. I have not worn makeup in like 3 months. So when this whole thing started, actually no, I put makeup on once. I've put makeup on once. I just feel like it's just unnecessary when we can't go anywhere anyways. Ryan likes it when I don't have makeup on. He loves it when I do have makeup on. So for me, I'm just like, I'm just not gonna put makeup on. And now I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna do a video with makeup, because usually I've been just doing vlogs and stuff. So I decided I'm gonna do just little makeup stuff because we're going out. And I was like, I'm gonna look a little good today. I'm gonna try to look a little good. Alright, so that is 2 coats of the mascara. I'm not gonna put any mascara on the bottom. I'm just gonna keep it how it is. I'm also not gonna put lipstick on just because I don't think that is necessary. So this is the final look. So I'm pretty excited to go. We're actually renting a pontoon, that's what it's called. So I'm really excited, and it comes with like floaties and stuff like that. My neighbors are coming, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. We have a bunch of beer and stuff to bring with us. But this is the look that I have. So remember, this foundation is the one that's gonna be keeping my face nice and not a lot of sun. So again, this is the SPF 30 that I have, and then I also have this one that was on it, and this was the SPF 15. So kind of making sure that I have some type of sunscreen on my face. I am going to be having my sunscreen all over my body, obviously. Everyone should always use that just in case. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know down below if you guys would like to see kind of videos like this. I haven't done makeup videos in a really long time, and I miss it. I love doing it, and I hope you guys like it too. Let me know, because I want to know. So I will talk to you guys later. I love you guys so, so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put the bell so you guys can see all of my amazing videos. And I think that's it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.